Okay, now for housing, it may not be a great problem in Greece, but I do propose a design, a new type of building called the Sunshine Building, of which I'm the architect, but that's incidental. The fact about this building is it's probably the cheapest constructions ever come along. It's fast, it's extremely fast. The design, the way it's constructed, means that literally 3 or 4 men can put up a very large building without much help. And it's an air rights building, which means it can be put over existing railway lines and canals, rivers, and so on. So there's always a place to put it. Okay, it's on stilts, so to speak. It's quite a pretty thing. You'll see it I'll put it in with this video and with a link to it. Okay. So and also it's one of the safest buildings in terms of fire protection and things like that. It has slides in it so you can get out super fast and things like that. So a very safe building, very cheap, and I suggest that you just and also it's extensible. The building can keep growing as you go along a railroad track. So if you do have homeless, that'll be one of the solutions, place to put people. And also you're going to have a huge influx of tourists and so on, which may drive up rents for people, so you want to put cheap rents housing on the market. And the flats, the apartments in the Sunshine Building will be really cheap to rent. So you'll bring cheap rent back into Greece, and or cheaper rent. And a friend of mine, a wise man, once said, cheap rent is the only true security. So with this building, you can create cheap rent refuge.